Hi everyone, it's David with Real Estate Website Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change your website background. Changing your website background can be a fast and easy way to change the area that you feature and to change the entire look of your site very easily. So you can see this website features a beach background, and this client has selected a different photo that she wants back here, also of a beach, but just of a more local scene for her area. Make sure you're logged into your website to start. If you don't remember how to log in, we have a tutorial about that as well. Go up to the top when you're logged in and click Site Dashboard, or you may already be on this dashboard page. To reach the settings for your background, go to Appearance, and then underneath that, Site Background. You'll see the background image that she already has on the site here, and we're just going to choose or upload an image here with this button, and then we're going to drag in the new picture into this space so that it uploads into the website. Once it's uploaded, we are going to save it with the bottom right button, and then we're going to click Save Background Choices. You can also set a background color here, which we don't need right now because we're using an image. The image will cover the background. So I'll click Save. And then to view the background on the site, I'll go up to the top and click View My Site. And there you go. Now the new background is here, and it's a beautiful new look for this website. As always, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.